In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board from a Trello template. Kanban boards are an excellent way to visually organize tasks and track your progress, whether you're managing a team project or just keeping your personal workflow on track. Trello makes this process simple and user-friendly, thanks to its wide selection of pre-made templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized Kanban board up and running, perfectly tailored to your needs. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Trello account. You can choose your preferred method, either using your email address, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. If you decide to log in using your email, simply type in your email address, followed by your password, and then hit the login button. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. At the top of the page, look for the Create button. If it's not labeled as Create, you might see it as a plus icon instead. It's the same thing. Click on that button, and a menu of options will appear. From this menu, select Start with Template. This will take you to Trello's template gallery, where you can browse through a variety of pre-designed boards. Look through the options until you find a Kanban template that fits your workflow. Once you've found the one you like, click on it to open the setup screen. Now it's time to personalize your board. First, you'll need to give your board a title. Choose something that clearly describes its purpose, for example, marketing campaign, personal to-do list, or team sprint board. Next, you'll set the visibility level for your board. You can make it private, meaning only you can see it, workspace visible, which allows members of your workspace to access it, or public, which makes it viewable to anyone with a link. Choose the option that best suits your needs. You'll also see an option to keep any cards that came preloaded in the template. If you want to start fresh without those cards, you can toggle this option off. Otherwise, leave it on to keep the example cards as a guide. Once everything is set up, click the Create button. Trello will now generate your Kanban board, and you'll be ready to start organizing your tasks. To get started, you can begin dragging cards between lists to reflect their progress. For instance, move a card from the to-do list to the in-progress list once you've started working on that task. If you click into any card, you'll notice that you can add a lot of useful details. You can include a description to provide more context, create checklists to break tasks into smaller steps, assign the card to specific team members, add labels for easy categorization, or even set due dates to stay on track. Lastly, if the default list names like To Do, In Progress, and Done don't match your workflow, you can rename them. Simply click on the name at the top of the list and type in something new. And that's it. You've successfully created a Kanban board from a Trello template and customized it to suit your needs. Now you're ready to start managing your tasks with ease and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.